This is the BLOKEES Sweet and Cake Bakery Building Blocks. Inside the box are the following: 184 pieces of building blocks, 2 pieces of personalized stickers to build 3 scenarios, and user's manual. This BLOKEES Sweet and Cake Bakery Building Blocks can create 3 scenarios including dessert shop, a tasty kitchen, and a family restaurant. You can build the building blocks using the provided cartoon-styled manual or download the app that provides tutorials to help children follow the visual step-by-step directions to build. This BLOKEES Sweet and Cake Bakery is made with safe material and it has rounded design to avoid cut to kids' hands. This BLOKEES building toy kit focuses on expressing realistic details such as rotating, open and close of the cabinet, and it also comes with a sound function and light which allows children to enjoy playing. This BLOKEES Sweet and Cake Bakery can develop kids' hands-on ability, creativity, concentration, a limited imagination, and allow kids to grow up with the fun of playing DIY building blocks. If you're looking for a fun and DIY building blocks, this BLOKEES Sweet and Cake Bakery Building Blocks is a perfect gift.